Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of paying for stock footage or waiting to buy expensive equipment, you're in the right place.
Stop paying for stock footage. Stop wasting money on expensive subscriptions. It's 2026 and the Faceless YouTube game has completely changed. Right now, you can build a professional YouTube channel using nothing but free AI tools. No camera, no microphone, no editing experience, no budget. Just smart automation. Today, I'm revealing the exact AI stack that lets you create cinematic, high-quality YouTube videos for $0. Let's get into it.
First, let's talk about visuals. Because as a faceless creator, your biggest challenge isn't ideas, it's footage. And in 2026, you don't need a camera anymore. That's where Kling AI comes in. Kling is one of the most powerful free AI video generators available right now. They give you around 66 daily credits, enough to generate multiple high-quality 1080p cinematic clips every single day. And the quality? Shockingly realistic. Pro tip, use the Video 3.0 or 2.6 models. They give you the best balance between cinematic realism and smart credit usage. If you want smooth human motion, natural lighting, and dramatic film-style camera movement, Kling becomes your foundation tool. But we're not stopping there. Now let's level up. For more stylized animations and creative character motion, use ElevenLabs. Pika is perfect when you need controlled scene transitions, object animations, character-based visuals. And if you ever want a character to actually speak, their Pika-formance lip sync feature is extremely powerful, especially for storytelling channels. Now let's talk cinematic quality. If you want that Hollywood-style drone movement and ultra-stable realism, use Luma AI and their Dream Machine model. This tool is incredible for drone fly-through shots, realistic environmental lighting, smooth, professional-grade camera motion. It gives your videos that premium, high-budget feel without spending anything. And finally, here's the hidden gem of 2026, Pixverse V5. Pixverse gives daily coins and includes a powerful feature called Fusion Mode. Fusion Mode allows you to combine multiple images into one animated video sequence. That means seamless storytelling transitions, before and after transformations, viral-style motion edits. When you combine these 4 tools together, you don't just generate clips, you build a cinematic system. And that's your complete visual stack.
Now you know the exact stack. You don't need money. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need a studio. You just need to start. If this video gave you value, subscribe and join the automation movement. Let's build smarter in 2026.